everyone, welcome to Tech Official. So today I'm going to teach you how to use nano editor in your Linux. So if you don't know how to use it before, so this video is right for you. So it is two things. If you have not created any file before, and if you have created the file before and you want to modify it, so the first thing we are going to do is that you have not created the file before and you want to create the new file through nano editor. So the first thing you are going to do here is that you are going to press nano. So this will activate the nano interface. So you will press nano, nano. So you press enter. So this will show the nano interface right here. You see it right here. So let's say we want to write something. Let's just write welcome to Real Tech Official. Subscribe to my channel. So after you have write you want to write some, you will write what you want to write to the file. So what you are going to do here is that you will press ctrl O. So after you have pressed ctrl O, it means to save your file to the nano. So you will see that you come to this side, it will ask you write to file. So it means to give it a name. You want you to give it a name. So we are going to write intro, and that will be our file name. So after you write the file name, you are just going to press enter. So that will save the file. So if you have done everything you want to, you will see that this intro, the file name it is on the top. So if you have done everything you want to done in the nano editor, so the thing you are going to do next is just to press ctrl X. So that will go out of the nano editor, and if you want to check the file you just created in the nano editor, you just press ls. So it will list it. You see that the intro file is here. So let's say that you have created a file before and you want to modify it. So you will, like the file we created before, and you want to modify it in your nano editor, you just type nano. So after you type nano, and you will write the name of the file. So let's say we want to modify the file we created before, and you write the name of the file intro. So after you write the name of the file, you will just type and you just press enter. So it will take you to the file that you have created before and you want to modify it. Let's say you want to write something here. So let's say Real Tech Official. So after you have modified the file that you have created before, and also you will notice that it show this star. It means that you have not saved, you have modified this file and you have not saved it. So the thing you are going to press is that you are going to press ctrl O. So that will save the file. And if you want to navigate out of this nano editor, you just press ctrl X. And after you press ctrl X, after you press ctrl X, so it will ask you after you press ctrl X, it will navigate out of the nano editor, and that is how to use nano editor. So if you are interested in learning this kind of command, all of the things related to Linux, cybersecurity and programming, do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment for more. Thank you.